Our products are sold globally in approximately 88 countries worldwide. We have 8 senior R&D engineers dedicated to innovation in technology, design technology, and manufacturing processes. By adopting the latest developments in LED technology, we can provide LED solutions that are more efficient, brighter, and visually appealing. We have 7 imported high-speed fully automatic SMT production lines, which are characterized by high efficiency, good accuracy, and stable performance, ensuring an annual shipment volume of over 10 million sets. Our company is committed to producing high-quality products to ensure that our products provide the best performance. Accurate color consistency, uniform brightness, long lifespan, and we have established a strict quality control system. Implement for quality control procedures at each stage of production to maintain good product shipments. We have stock various LED backlight strips for all TV brands, minimum order 1 set, with the fastest delivery time of 1 day. Our company understands that different TV models and brands may have specific requirements. We offer custom options that allow TV manufacturers to tailor products to their exact needs. This flexibility can include some variations in product lengths, color temperature, brightness, and other specificity. In today's environmentally conscious world, companies that prioritize sustainability have a competitive advantage. Our company strives to minimize waste, energy consumption, and environmental impact during production. We comply with relevant regulations and certifications to ensure the safety and quality. These advantages make Xinchuanhong become a trustworthy and reliable provider of high-quality backlight solutions, attracting partnerships with TV manufacturers and earning customer loyalty in a highly competitive market.